Assalamu alaikum. This is Sir Hassan. How are you, student? Now, today is our second lecture for Unit 1 Computer Studies Class 8. Our first chapter is Introduction to Computer. In this chapter, we will learn what is a computer, what computer can do, and the features of computer. Now let's move on chapter 1, Introduction to Computer. As we know that computer is an electronic device that is a problem solving machine. It accepts data, store it, perform certain operation on it, and produces the result of these operations with accuracy, reliability, and at a very high speed. The development of computer is the most remarkable development of the second century. The cause a technological revolution that lays behind the industrial revolution of 19th century is the development of computer. Computer has the capability to magnify our ability to analyze, compute, and communicate. Thus, the development of computer is also called the information revolution. Computer is the tool which has multiplied human brain power with the same impact that the first industrial revolution had in multiplying human muscles power. Computer is the most remarkable invention of the world because without computer no one can do anything in your office, at your shop, in hospital, and all the fields of our life. The first topic is the definition of computer. What is a computer? It's a question. The definition is given here. Computer is simply a problem solving machine that accepts data, store it, performs certain operation on it, and produces the result of these operations with accuracy, remarkable reliability, and the very high speed. This is the true definition of computer for your class 8. The first question of this chapter is what is a computer? So the answer is start from this point to this point. This is your question number 1, answer of question number 1. Short question. You should write it on your notebook and the classwork copies. Now let's move on the second topic. What computer can do? Simply, computer can do the 4 jobs. Number 1, data processing. Data processing is vast in its meaning. Data processing means to concatenate, to join, to perform arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication. Data processing means the logical operations computer can do. All these type of operations included in this topic that called computer processing. Number 1. Number 2, control. Computer can control many devices, machines, cars, aeroplanes, and all the computerized mechanical devices and motors. The third job that the computer can do design and development. And the fourth one is data communication. Now move to the detail of these four jobs that the computer can do. The first job we learn, data processing. The conversion of data, raw facts into the information. I repeat, conversion of data, raw facts into information and organized form is called data processing. It includes statistical, mathematical calculations, word processing, record keeping, accounting, planning, payroll, processing, auditing, etc. As I told you, at this level, all these things are called data processing. Here, anyone can ask you a question, what is a data? And you should know what is data. Data is a raw facts and material. On the basis of data, no one can take a single decision. Data, when the data applied a single operation, single prescribed operation, data will change into the information. In simple word, जब डेटा पे कोई भी एक सिंगल प्रिस्क्राइब ऑपरेशन, मीनिंगफुल ऑपरेशन अप्लाई किया जाता है, जो पहले से प्री डिफाइन हो, ऐसा ऑपरेशन अप्लाई किया जाता है, तो डेटा इंफॉर्मेशन में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है और कंप्यूटर कैन डू दिस टास्क वेरी इजीली. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन. सेकेंड टास्क दैट द कंप्यूटर कैन डू is called control. Computer controls the processing of many electromechanical devices. It directs robots in factories, traffic signals, more traffic cars, etc. It also control and guides the military weapons and these system and missile systems, the missile system, space programs, satellite, nuclear reactions, etc. As I told you, all these operation computer can do. It includes computerized car. As we know, the new cars are available in market that controlled by the computer controlled car, and the aircrafts that also controlled by the computers, and computer can control all these things in industry, factories, in shops, in military weapons, missile system. As you know, the missiles are called laser guided missiles. The laser guided missiles are controlled by the computer. The nuclear weapons are very harmful, but it controlled by the computers. And in medical science field, many operations are controlled by the computers. There are a lot of examples in medical science, in engineering, and in mechanical science, and all the fields related to the science and human beings. Now let's move on. Third job that the computer can do, designing and development. Engineers can design a product and test it test it by computer before the actual production. Computer is helpful in designing and developing roads, bridge, maps of building, machine parts, cars, aircrafts, ships, etc. Computer is also used to help in designing artificial joints and limbs of human body. Now the student designing and development. For example, an engineer wants to build a bridge. Before the actual development or actual building or starts, engineers can make the design on any computer and check it all the points for any future problems. We will see the high-rise buildings, for example, in Burj Khalifa in Dubai, and also in Pakistan, in Karachi, the high-rise buildings will start to build. So before actual design or actual working start, engineers check his design on computer and and can save thousands of dollars and lots of time through the computer. Now let's move on the fourth topic, that is data communication. Data communication is the fourth job that computer can do. Data communication is the process of sending data electronically from one place to another. Linking of one computer to another makes it possible for data to be transferred, shared, and updated at different locations. So computer can be helpful in sending electronic mails, emails, fax, teleconferencing, etc. In this topic, in today's world, everyone knows data communication. We will use mobiles, mobile telephones, WhatsApp messages, emails, and a lot of things, your social media updates. All these things are electronically updated and included in data communication. Data communication is vast in its meaning. Before the computer, data communicate by the verbal or ordinary method. For example, a letter will send from one place to another place, takes a lot of time to transfer from one place to its destination. Now by the computer, any type of data can be sent within a second from one place to another place, from one location to another location, and the distance is not matter. It's most important task that the computer can do. Now the last topic of this chapter is features of computer. We will discuss in next class. So move on. The second question of this chapter, and in other words, this first descriptive question, what a computer can do. This is your first descriptive question and second question of this chapter. What a computer can do? The answer for this chapter starts from this. Start from this topic, from this line to this. Now it's your assignment to search the proper answer of this question. I repeat, this is a descriptive long question, so the answer should be long. I will check in your copies, or the method or the procedure that school will announce. What is the method to write the answer, but now you can write it in your classwork copies. Before start your question answers in your copy, you should make the first title page for half yearly exams, and the second title page for chapter 1, Introduction to Computer, and then you can write the first short questions, then start long questions, and it's your responsibility to search the proper answer from this chapter. I will mark it. I have marked it this from this point to this. आप लोगों को सर्च करना है आंसर, प्रॉपर आंसर सर्च करना है, लेकिन इस चीज़ को बार बार आपको दोहरा रहा हूँ, इसको याद रखिएगा। ये डिस्क्रिप्टिव क्वेश्चन है, आंसर लॉन्ग होगा, इसको इतना शॉर्ट नहीं कीजिएगा कि आपको एग्ज़ाम में नंबर ना मिल पाए। ठीक है, कोशिश कीजिएगा कि इसी टॉपिक में से, इसी पोर्शन में से आप कोई आंसर को मार्क करें और इसी में से आपको आंसर को सर्च करें। जो इसमें एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ हैं, जो एक्स्ट्रा लाइंस इसमें लिखी हुई हैं, उनको हटा के बाकी लाइंस आपने ऐड करनी है अपने आंसर्स में। तो ये आपका असाइनमेंट है जो आपने अपनी क्लास वर्क कॉपीज़ में राइट डाउन करना है। नाउ द बॉयज़, टाइम टू से अल्लाह हाफिज़, गॉड ब्लेस यू, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़।